Alright, let's find sample standard deviation by using the Excel. Okay, so in Excel, we're gonna have to type the data in a cell, each cell, and of course, you're looking for a standard deviation. So as usual, we're gonna put the syntax equal, and that will recognize the command. And of course, we're looking for std, standard deviation. I just type in std. Even I do this, s is gonna give me some kind of option, but not too much. Is st at least. So it's going to be standard deviation, or STD is the best one, standard deviation for population, standard for sample, and of course this is the same thing, standard deviation per population, standard deviation per population, standard deviation for sample. So I'm going to go with the sample dot s, stdeb dot s, and of course I'm going to highlight the number one. If I have only one group, so I just select, drag, release, and close parentheses, enter. So that's 27.75. That is my standard deviation for the sample. Notice that if I do look for population standard deviation, so let's take a look what is happening here. I'm going to do std again, and this time I'm looking for population. So if I do look for population, that's going to be slightly different, because this time we take everything, we are not going to subtract one, so that's going to be more accurate here. So this is a population standard deviation. So that's how we find sample standard deviation and population standard deviation by using the Excel. So what command we use? std for sample, and based on what question asking, we just use that to find our statistics. Thank you.